Hello, my fly babies. Today is Sunday, and this is Renew Your Spirit Day. So what we're going to do is a 2-layer cake for all parties. It is our routines, and we don't have all 5 routines. We have 3 routines: morning routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. And we have Renew Your Spirit. This is a wonderful day for relaxing and refreshing. If you're going to church, I hope that you planned for that last night, like I encourage you to do most every Saturday night. Everyone is prepared and you know that you're going to church. The clothes are laid out. So this morning when you did your morning routine, you got yourself ready for church. Then you put your children through their routine. They got ready for church. Everybody came to the table, and then off to church you go. You can even make the early service if you have more than one. All right, so this is an easy day for you. Don't forget that you're going to check your planner in the afternoon when you have some time and kind of reproject what you started on Wednesday, because things change. And that's why I encourage you to use the Frixion pen with the erasable nub, and it erases the gel. So you can change things a little bit. Maybe you didn't eat something you had planned to eat, so you're going to have that later. Or maybe something you plan to do is changed. Maybe a dentist appointment has changed, or you've had to add something. So update your journal so that you can, when you look at it in the morning as part of your morning routine, and in the evening as part of your before bed routine, you won't be surprised the next day. You won't miss an appointment. You won't miss anything. You're going to be on top of things. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Renew Your Spirit Day, Sunday, and I hope you remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.